Charleston White said Boosie was going to jail, y'all. That was no cap on that. Now the Boosie. They say he set his juggler Duke to be killed for jury. Boosie said that he didn't do it. All I know is that police stop wasn't a random one when he stopped him and his 19-year-old little cousin. This is the vehicle they stopped him in right here. Back to Boosie. I think that he did set it up. How you gonna let your man get killed on your watch if he came to see you and you knew how treacherous the neighborhood was? And why let Duke walk to his car alone? And it was said by the street that your cousin came out the cut and met him. Duke threw a blow. Next thing you know, your cousin pulled a gun out. Duke is laying a bunch of blood. All I gotta say is, man, if you did it, Boosie, may God have mercy on your soul.